understand the term soluble, insoluble. What dissolved, what did not. On Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his aunt to make his favorite shakkar para, a sweet dish. Ammi said, "Let me come back from the market, then I'll make some for you. Why don't you help me? Take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolves." Hamid thought, "Let me finish this work fast, then I'll watch TV." But when Hamid started dissolving 1 bowl of sugar in 2 glasses of water, then he found that the sugar is taking a lot of time to dissolve. So now suggest some ways to Hamid for quickly dissolving sugar. We can dissolve sugar quickly by stirring continuously and heating the water, and dissolve sugar by stirring continuously. Let's do one more experiment. For this experiment, you will need 4 to 5 glasses or bowls, spoons, water, and the things listed in the table, that is salt, soil, chalk powder, 1 spoon milk and oil. Take some water in each glass. Now try to dissolve one thing in 1 glass. Observe what happens and note in the table. After keeping for 2 minutes, salt mixed in water, soil settled down, chalk powder settled down, oil floats on water, and milk mixed in water. Now let's complete this table. Salt, did it dissolve or not? Yes. What happened after keeping for 2 minutes? Salt and water got mixed together completely. Soil, it did not dissolve. Soil settled down on the bottom of the glass and water became muddy. Chalk powder, it did not dissolve. After 2 minutes, some chalk powder got settled down on the bottom and some got spread throughout water. 1 spoon milk, it dissolved. After 2 minutes, milk and water got mixed together, making water look whitish. And oil, it did not dissolve. Oil floated as a layer on the surface of water. Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? No, we could not see the salt after it is dissolved in water because salt gets completely mixed with water. Does that mean that now the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt? No, that does not mean that water does not have salt. Salt has broken down into smaller particles which have occupied the positions in between the particles of water. What difference did you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? After keeping for some time, water with salt looks clear and transparent, whereas the water with chalk powder looks whitish with some chalk powder settled down on the bottom of the glass. Which of the two would you be able to separate from the water by straining with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? We can separate chalk powder by straining with a cloth since it doesn't get dissolved. Salt gets dissolved in water, hence we cannot strain it. This is water with salt and this is water with chalk powder. And in this figure, the chalk powder is being strained, and this method is called filtration. Here are some examples of things which dissolve in water and which do not dissolve in water. So sugar, salt, soda, ink, food color, vinegar, ice, chocolate syrup, milk powder, coffee powder, etc. dissolve in water, whereas Chalk powder, sand, metal, plastic, paper, plants, hair, wood, cotton, oil, ghee, pepper powder, etc. they do not dissolve in water.